My reason, valuing relationships with people and just taking time out to make memories, not focusing so much on the negativity, focusing on that positivity and making memories with family, friends, and really serving others and being an important, making them feel good. You know, there's so many good quotes in and around this. You know, people oftentimes don't remember what you've done for them or what you've said, but they always remember how you've made them feel. So that's
amen to that.
To me. You know, there's this saying that says that you become like your circle of the closest 5 people to you. And so for me, hire to impacted me this week because last weekend I had a huge task to get done. And I didn't know how I was going to get done, just John and I, and that was to get the beach house ready for renters. And so my team in my office suites, they all jumped in, volunteered. There were 7 of them, said, hey, we'll come down and help you. And so one of my photos that I picked, that I put was higher, was showing one of my office suite mates standing on my counter in the kitchen, cleaning higher up on the shelves. So we want to surround ourselves with folks that's going to raise our vibrations, not bring those vibrations down. And so that's going to help push us to those limits, hold us accountable for those goals, and help us achieve them even higher and higher than we ever thought we possibly could.